Today we're diving into ThumbnailAI, an AI tool that promises to help you create eye-catching thumbnails for your videos. But does it really deliver on that promise, or is it just another gimmick in the crowded space of content creation? ThumbnailAI aims to streamline the thumbnail creation process by using artificial intelligence to generate designs based on your video's content. The core functionality revolves around its ability to analyze your video's topic and suggest visually appealing elements, colors, and text styles that could boost click-through rates. When you first log in, the interface feels user-friendly, which is a plus for those who may not have design experience. You can upload your video or provide a title, and the AI quickly churns out several thumbnail options. What stands out is the customization feature, allowing you to tweak designs even further. However, some users might find the options a bit limited, especially if they're looking for highly specific styles. Additionally, there's a lack of transparency around how the AI generates these suggestions, which could leave some users feeling uncertain about the final product's effectiveness. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, ThumbnailAI can save a lot of time, especially for creators who struggle with design. The AI-generated options can spark creativity too, which is a nice touch. However, there are some frustrations. The selection of thumbnails may not always hit the mark, and more advanced users might find the customization options lacking. There's also the concern of trust. Without clear information on how the AI makes its design choices, users might hesitate to rely on it fully. Pricing could also be a sticking point. If you're just starting out, it may feel like a hefty investment for a tool that might not meet all your needs. Overall, it seems best suited for casual creators rather than seasoned professionals. In conclusion, ThumbnailAI is a solid tool for those looking to simplify their thumbnail creation. If you're a beginner or need quick design ideas, it might be worth a shot. However, if you're an experienced creator with specific design needs, you might want to explore other options. Overall, proceed with cautious optimism.